what's up everyone? So I'm gonna show you how to do this secret in red versus blue. So basically, just to show you which one is it, it's all the way right here. Alright, so basically what you want to do, you want to either have these mythical base boost gloves or either this jetpack. So either one works. And so what you want to do to get up here this fast, you want to go ahead and click the aim button and then the shoot button that's like right before each other, and you got to do it fast too. And me personally, I just use the jetpack after, last. And if you go high enough, you'll be able to enter in this room. Hold on, let me get it right. There it is. Trying not to fall here. I got this jetpack on. So basically, if you look all the way back here, you see a gun. And shoot, I just don't know what this thing can do. So basically, you can't touch any of these bars, especially the moving ones. You can already probably tell about that. I'm finna try to get down here. Just look like, I'm gonna call this the abstraction room. Everything just look abstracted. And I died. Yeah, it's gonna be hard trying to get it down there. Whew. Let me try something. Hopefully this works. Almost. Okay. Stop moving. Alright. A little bit. Alright, stop. I just need to get right here, or at least right over there. I don't know. It need to be a safe spot. Oh snap! What did I do? What did I do? What is this? What did I do? What is this room? I didn't even discover this. What is this place? And they be hiding all the good guns from me? How many rooms are there? Are these literally brain rots? I'm trying to figure out what is this place and how to stop it. Maybe if I go beyond here. A sword? Yeah, I don't think this is the abstraction room anymore. Who would make this? You know what? I think I know what to call this room. Space beyond time. All of these timers say 30 minutes. 30 minutes for what though? I'm gonna go back there again. I'm gonna try to get that gun. And I'm gonna see what's more out there. Once I get this, I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna go back to see what's more out there. Close. Alright, I think I got an idea. So the idea is once I get up there and I drop at that certain level, I'm just gonna use the jetpack to boost me up a bit so the timing could be off so I could fall down faster. No. So I can fall down before that thing hits me. Ooh. Man, Fortnite is this weird place. This room specifically. Snap. Wait a minute. I got an idea. So, that did not work. But if I could exit out that way, does that mean that space is a whole line? That way I get to the bottom and get that stuff? I don't know what to do. Ooh. Come on, there gotta be a way I can leave. Did it last time, and then the time before last. Maybe if I mark it, then I'll know. Then I'll remember which part is it. I'm surprised any of the players didn't even know I'm doing this. I gotta set an epilepsy warning in here. There we are. Oh, now I know. So basically, if I get too close, I hit the black line and I die. So basically, I probably would have won this. All of these things are set to 30 minutes. I don't even want to spoil it for y'all. Alright, each timer has its own weapon. There's abstraction rooms everywhere. And this big one. All these timers set for 30 minutes with a super weapon. It just looked like space beyond time. Wait, can I leave this place? Nope. So basically that's what it did. It teleported me under there. Everybody's on top. It teleported me to the bottom. Just like that other secret place. What's in that thing? A rift, but to where? Hold on, I'm trying to get this thing to stop moving. $27.59. 27.59. Huh. Can I break in? Wait a minute. Oh, right, I can't even do anything. This is weird. Who would do something like this? Maybe I can get in here somewhere. I mean, somehow. Hmm. That's it. Time to go to the beyond point. I somehow gotta drive fast enough. Huh. Neat. Right. Wonder if I can break in somehow with this. I thought so. Okay, now I stuck myself. I wonder what else I could find. Matter of fact, I think I got one idea. Alright, so what if I go all the way out here, stop, and then use these things? Of course, I gotta keep the car, you know, I gotta figure out a way to get out. Alright, apparently I'm not going anywhere. Alright, so if I'm right, this teleports me out of here. And going over there teleports me under here. Hey, what are these two things? Alright, alright, alright. Oh, you kidding me right now? I did all this just for it to be on TikTok. What is a dual chimpanzee? Or ship-on shotgun? Explosive pump shotgun? Now that other one makes sense. Frosty Scar. What is all this? And you telling me I can't get not one? Oh snap, everybody's gone. I don't know, I thought that would work. Unless... anything? Nah, not even. Alright, tune in for next time. I'm getting bored. Finna hop off the game. Or probably stay on. I'll probably get on about... what time is it? Hey John, what time is it? I'll probably get back on about 3 o'clock. Stay tuned.